Stop putting fabric directly on your cakes. I'm here to show you a better way. Cakes with bows are all the rage right now, and I've been seeing so many fellow bakers attach oversized fabric bows directly onto their cakes. I'm here to show you a better way. If you're all about keeping your cakes top tier in both looks and quality, then placing fabric directly on buttercream or fondant is a big no no in my books. Instead, here's what I do. I use a cake collar. You've probably seen these used to wrap pastries or layered mousse cakes where you want those gorgeous layers visible. They're food safe, come in a variety of sizes, and the best part, they're clear, so they won't take away from your cake's design. You can even trim them with scissors if you need a custom fit. This method creates a barrier between your cake and the fabric, keeping things cleaner and safer. Yes, it adds a tiny bit to the cost of the cake and takes an extra step during assembly, but honestly, it's so worth it. Would you try this method? Let me know in the comments, and I'll link the exact cake collars I use in my Amazon storefront if you want to check them out.